We have to bear the unbearable. We have to suffer the unsufferable. Why? It means that at that time, Americans have dropped 2 bombs. They destroyed our cities. So it was a great loss. It was against our dignity, our national dignity. So we suffered a loss a lot. We have suffered a lot. But he said that one field is open. Although we have defeated the military in the field of military, in field of fighting, in field of war, but one field is still open. That is peaceful activism. In terms of education, in terms of industry. So they abandoned war. They accepted American hegemony, American supremacy, and there was a break-in. Within 30 years, Japan emerged as a economic superpower. This was a break-in of peaceful activism. It was this that mentioned in the hadith in these words, as I have said earlier, Inna Allah yu'ti al-rifq maza yu'ti al-unf. God grants to non-violence what He does not grant to violence. It means that God grants to peace what He does not grant to violence. If you opt for peaceful method, you will be success. The power of success was emphasized by the Prophet of Islam in these words. We must know the present situation. We must know the changes in our world, and we have to reassess the whole situation. Now the time is for reassessment. We have to reassess the whole things. And according to my assessment, first of all, we have to abandon all kind of violence, all kind of hate. We have to abandon hate. Hate generates violence. Where there is hate, there is violence. So the Prophet Jesus Christ has rightly said that love your enemy. These are also Islamic formula. Jesus Christ has said those days Romans were rulers of Palestine. So he said that give to Caesar what is due to Caesar, and give to God what is due to God. Some Muslims say that it is not Islam. Islam believes in jihad, and Christian formula is based on submission. But it is wrong. This is also Islamic formula. You know, the Prophet of Islam has said, this you can read in Sahih al-Bukhari, Addu ilayhim haqqahum wasalullah haqqakum. The same was advised by the Prophet of Islam. Addu ilayhim haqqahum wasalullah haqqakum. It means that give to rulers what is due to rulers, and what is your dues asked from God. The same formula was given by the Quran, by the Prophet of Islam. Addu ilayhim haqqahum wasalullah haqqakum. The right translation is this, that pay their dues to them, pay their dues to them, and ask for your dues from God. Both formulas are similar. The Christian formula, Islamic formula are both one and the same. It means that we have to reassess, and we have to abandon all those violence and hate and revenge. We have to adopt the policy of peace, policy of love. This is the only solution to our problems. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم أجمعين.